Forget about the fake stuff which come and go. It is now time for you to start your own business, and into this video I'm going to show you 22 small business ideas that you can start like right now in Zambia with little money. So remember, you don't need thousands of kwacha, okay? You don't need an office. This is something that you can actually start from wherever you are, okay? The good part about these ideas I'm about to show you is that they work in Zambia and they've been tested, and I've tried some of them, but others have also tried some of them and it has worked for them. So these business ideas can both work online and offline, okay? And they are proven to work and you can actually make a lot of money from them. So without wasting of your time, what are these business ideas? So remember, the last 10 business ideas are easier to start, so you might want to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any business idea that may actually help you get started. So without wasting of your time, what is the first business idea that you can start right now in Zambia? Well, the first business idea that you can actually get started like right now is by actually starting a consulting firm in Zambia. So a consulting firm can actually become an online consultant, or you can actually do the consulting from wherever you are, from your place, or if you would have an office, that can be an advantage. So starting a consulting firm can be the greatest option if you are knowledgeable and passionate about a specific area. So you can start your consulting firm on your own, then later on you can expand and recruit other consultants later on. So about this, you need to be knowledgeable about a specific thing, okay? For example, I myself am very knowledgeable in a lot of stuff to do with making money in Zambia. So if I want, I can actually start my own consulting firm, okay? Although I don't have a consulting firm, I've actually been helping a lot of Zambians with online stuff. Like, people have been contacting me, asking me for help, and people do that almost every day, asking me for help, and most of the times I provide this info for free. But I think from now on I am going to be charging for providing this type of help, okay? So this is another way you can actually get to make money. So this is the first business idea. And the second business idea you can actually start is establishing an online tutoring service in Zambia. So what is this? This is where you actually create more like a portal where you can actually teach people, okay? Remember, you don't have to teach people physically, you can as well teach people even online. So if you go over to my website, okay, I've created a page where I sell my online courses. So what you do is you visit that page, sign up, buy a course, you get access to the course, and you start learning. So my portal is similar to Udemy, where you learn at your own pace, okay? Everything is organized, okay? So how can you make money by starting an online tutoring service? So online schooling is becoming more popular in Zambia because this is an internet business idea, okay? You get to teach a course or any subject that you know, so regardless of your location. So if you don't have advanced expertise in any field, you can always teach like maybe any language that you know, okay? There are people who are interested in learning a language that you know, okay? If you know how to plait people, you can actually create a course teaching people how to plait people. If you know how to cook shima, you can actually create a course telling people this is how you cook shima. So if you need like a portal or a website where you can actually sell courses, I'm the person to go to. I'm a web developer. I can help you get started. So this is the second business idea that you can actually start in Zambia like right now. So the third business idea you can actually start right now, which is profitable in Zambia, is actually starting your own app development company in Zambia. So right now we've got a lot of apps in Zambia. There's the Yango app, Ulendo app, Ulendo Eats. There are a lot of apps that help us like order food by using your phone, or book a taxi by using your phone. So you can come up, people are usually looking for people who can actually turn their ideas into apps. So by creating your own app development company, by the way, you don't need to create a company for yourself. What you can do is simply learn how to create apps and start advertising your services, that you can actually do this and this and help turn people's ideas into money. So this is the third business idea that is profitable, which you can start in Zambia. So without wasting your time, let's go to the fourth. So what is the fourth business idea that you can start right now in Zambia? Well, the fourth one is actually starting a cleaning company in Zambia. So I've seen this one, a lot of people are doing it. They simply look for 3 or 5 people, buy some cleaning materials, and they start cleaning, visiting people door to door and cleaning for whatever, their carpets, their house, or maybe those who are shifting, they clean their house. Or if you're shifting to a new house, it's usually dirty, you hire these people and they clean. So starting a cleaning company is very much profitable and it is very good. So for example, I myself who stays alone, yeah, I might need these services like to help with the cleaning. So if you get started with this business, I might actually hire you guys, so give it a try. Okay, so the 5th business idea that we start right now in Zambia right now, which is profitable, is starting a copywriting business as a freelancer in Zambia. So how is this done? Well, most freelance copywriters charge between like $20 to $50 per hour. That is on international, okay, but I don't know how much they charge here in Zambia. Although those who specialize in a particular industry may be able to charge considerably more. So freelance copywriting is an excellent idea to start, since you can work from anywhere with an internet connection. Okay, so for this one is similar to what I do, so you can simply do it online from wherever you are. This is the 5th business idea. And the 6th business idea you can start right now in Zambia, okay, is a business of providing translation services in Zambia. So if you know Lozi, okay, there are people who don't know Lozi, so you can help translating Nyanja into Lozi or English, okay, into Lozi. There are companies out there that need their books converted into local languages, like the Bible into local languages and stuff like that. So by providing translation services, you can actually get to make money. So if you can't find these people who are looking for these translation services, you can try online translation services. You can search up legit ones. So the 7th business idea you can start right now in Zambia is help people write their resumes. I don't know how you pronounce resume or resume, I don't know, but I want to say resumes or resume, whatever. So if you're really good at writing resumes, CVs, stuff like that, there are people who don't know how to write that. Like, it's not just about writing this stuff. Like, there are things you should have to make sure that are put in place for you, for your resume or your CV to look professional and more appealing. So there are people who are good at this, so you can simply learn from them and see how they write them, and you can simply start writing for other people and make money. Okay, so in case I want a new job, if you start this business, I might hire you to write for me a resume and a CV, and you can both benefit. Okay, and the 8th business idea you can start in Zambia right now is by starting your own food truck company in Zambia. Okay, for this, of course, you're going to need some money. For example, you need like a car or something like that. Okay, although I've never really seen these food truck companies in Zambia. There are a few of them, but in other countries it's a common thing whereby people are selling food from their cars. Okay, there's the way their cars are made such that they are more like a mobile restaurant, something like that, whereby they're able to sell some food stuff. Okay, mostly the people I see with cars, they sell cabbages in the boot of their cars. Well, that's also a business idea. You can try it out if you've got a car. Yeah. And the 9th business idea you can start here in Zambia is by starting a lawn care business. So for this, again, I think you might need some free employees, okay, such as your friends, and buy a lawnmower and other tools, okay, and start like mowing people's like places, something like that. It can work. And the 10th business you can actually start in Zambia is carpentry. Although a lot of people are doing this, it's very much common. So learn carpentry. It's not that expensive to learn carpentry, so try it out, and maybe you can get to make things like the table I'm currently using, like wardrobes, doors, cooking sticks, stuff like that. It's very profitable. Okay, the other business idea you can start in Zambia right now, which is profitable, is by becoming a dating consultant. I don't think this is a thing in Zambia, but in other countries it's really a thing. Like in other countries, people actually do visit dating consultants to find out why their relationship is not performing well, blah blah blah, stuff like that. So if you've got a lot of experience in relationship stuff, okay, yeah, you might want to become a consultant and start advising people like, no, when this happens, this is what you should do. When this happens, this is what you should do. And yeah, might get to make some money. So if you start this business, let me know. Maybe in the future I might buy your services. Okay, let's continue. The 12th business idea which is profitable that you can start right now in Zambia is actually by starting your own bicycle repairing shop. I myself, I have a bicycle. Okay, I know how to fix a bicycle and fixing some few things, but there are some things which I need someone professional, something who really know what they are to fix it for me. So it's not everything that I can do on my own. So by becoming a bicycle repair, okay, I can be coming to you whenever my bicycle has got a problem. So this is a good business idea, and you simply have to put your shop where there's a lot of people and a little bit of traffic, and people be coming to you every day. Okay, like just to pump a tire, they charge them like a 2 kwacha. So let us say if you can pump like 20 tires a day of bicycles, that's a lot of money just from pumping alone without fixing anything. So it's very profitable. The 13th business idea that you can actually start, of which I've seen people really doing in Zambia, is by actually becoming an Uber driver. Although there's no Uber in Zambia, but we've got Orlando, we've got Yango, and these two small companies which are coming up right now. All you need to do is simply download the app, sign up as a driver, start moving people, and get to make money. And people are making as high as more than 2,500, more than 5,000, as high as that every week. Okay, by just becoming a driver of these apps. So this is a good profitable business idea. Okay, but for this you need a car, which is expensive, like just to get a car. Okay, you can also like get a motorbike, then you can sign up with these apps and you can start delivering items with a motorbike. So a motorbike, although it's expensive, but it's less expensive than getting a car. The 14th business idea you can actually start right now is becoming an agent of real estate. Okay, so although this one I don't really like it, because for example the agents that we have in Zambia, I think they're just all thieves. Because for example, if you're looking for a house to rent, okay, just to go see the house, they will make you pay just to see the house. Okay, and the thing is that these agents, I think some of them are crooks. Like they can know and they can be sure that the house is already occupied, not really occupied, like someone has already paid for the house, but they will still accept people to come and check out the house, because they know that if you check out the house, you're going to pay the money and they will earn something if you want to get the house. So these agents of now in terms of becoming scammers day by day. So you can try to become a good agent, okay, by making sure that if someone has already paid for the house, don't accept people to come and visit the same house that someone has already paid for if it is taken, although the person has not yet shifted in. Okay, yeah, because imagine if 10 people come and check out a house which someone already paid for yesterday. So 100 kwacha times 10 people is 1,000, and 100 kwacha is the minimum. Some charge 200, some charge 300 just to see the house. So these people are making a lot of money from just seeing the houses. But I don't mean that you should start doing the same thing. That's really bad. Don't do that. Okay, and I think I read somewhere it's written that charging people to view houses is now illegal and shouldn't be tolerated, that you can report to the police. So I don't know how that is working, but yeah, I might do that as well. So let's continue now. Where have I ended? So we are on the 15th. So the 15th business idea you can actually start is by becoming an event planner in Zambia. I don't really know much about event planning, so I won't talk much about it, but you can research more on what is involved in event planning and might actually get started with it. So let's continue. The 16th way of making money or starting your own business is by starting your own social media business in Zambia. How does this work? So for this, all you need to do is that you're going to be managing people's social media accounts. Like, you'll be managing companies' social media accounts, like creating posts, replying to people, okay, creating advertisements. This is what social media people do. It's a good business idea. The other business idea you can do is data entry, although it's not really popular and it's no longer a thing of these days, so this one is less profitable. Okay, the other thing you can do is become an electronic repairer, like learn how to fix phones, okay, and you can get to make money. Like, phones do get problems each and every and then, so knowing how to fix phones, people can be coming to you and you can actually help them. Okay, as for me, like, I know how to fix phones, but I only know the software part. For example, like unlocking, okay, if a phone has got a problem, stuck on logo, stuff like that. These are the only things that I know, but fixing the hardware part, I don't know, but it's something that interests me that I might try to learn in the future. Okay, the other thing you can do is that you can become an audio or a video editor in Zambia. So video marketing is really trending, and videos are really a good part of marketing. So by knowing how to edit videos, you can actually edit videos of companies. Like, you can create advertisements for companies, you can create advertisements for yourself. So by knowing how to edit, okay, you can actually turn that into a business in Zambia, and you can get to make money. And the 20th way, or the business idea you can start in Zambia, is by becoming a graphic designer. So I once started graphic designing, but the thing is with Zambian clients is that they want something very nice, something unique, something very artistic, but the budgets, they are very low. This is something that caused me to stop doing graphic designing for people in Zambia, but it is too profitable to those who really understand what it is involved, so you can get started with it. The 21 or 21st business idea you can start in Zambia right now. Oh, I'm now even tired of talking. This is a lot. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, the 21st business idea you can actually start is by starting a career counselor in Zambia. So by becoming a career counselor in Zambia, you can advertise people what to study, what to venture in. Okay, you can tell people like, you know, if you study this, it might be easier for you to get a job. If you study this, blah blah blah, stuff like that. Okay, but remember not to mislead people. Okay, make sure that at least you've got some facts. Okay, you do your own research and don't just advise people based on what you think, okay, because it can actually cost you later on. Okay, and finally, the last business idea you can start is by subscribing to my channel. So how is that a business idea? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, okay, you'll be able to receive new business ideas that you can actually get to start new ways of making money online in Zambia, and you get to make money in the long term. Well, that was a joke, but it's true. Actually, the last business idea you can start is by starting a t-shirt printing company in Zambia. Okay, although this one is a little bit expensive because you need the printing equipment, which can be a little bit expensive in Zambia. So these are the business ideas that I had for you for today in today's video. So I'm sure out of these 22 business ideas that I've told you, at least you should try at least 5 of them. Out of 5 of these, one should definitely work. But if you try all of these and they fail, then it's you who has got a problem. So try all these, one of them might really work. Okay, yeah, so remember not to depend on one. Try as many as you can. The goal is to make money from multiple sources of income, so don't limit yourself. So once more again, if you did something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now. This is Keith Renz.